Hello, welcome to our channel. So today we discuss topic about how we can purchasing hosting for any company, any website to launching purpose. First of all, in a previous class we discussed about the how to purchase domain everything. Hosting. What is the purpose of hosting? So I'll start one domain name. I have to show my content will be Google. For example, I can show my website will be Rakesh Tech Solution. It is visible to easily to the particular customers. The easily will be contact my particular website and the easily will be contact from the through website itself. So this content where we can store. This content will be stored by option name is called hosting. Hosting will be several types are there. There is first of all OS. They will be defined by the three OS Linux, Windows and WordPress. Linux nothing but HTML, Drupal, AngularJS, etc. All will be coming to Linux, Windows, .NET and Java platforms. WordPress is a complete for plug and play. Just you install the plugin and use the website. So for example, I can show one temple website will be here. So what a temple here. This will be only for theme will be installed and making website will be like this. Existing theme will be allocated. Just change your images and add your content and fix your website. This is all nothing but in a particular option name is called WordPress. So how many website providing for hosting? That you can have first of all you will be into market will first time. Hosting provider websites. When first of all hostinga.com. Before going to this one, the hosting types will be total five types. Shared hosting, reseller, WordPress, dedicated server, and cloud and VPS. In a WordPress space, we can here. Shared and reseller, one of the platform is called WordPress. But WordPress, why you can use a separate? If you exclusive for we can working for WordPress and plug and play. Just a theme is already exist. Just install and use your WordPress website. That is the purpose. We can have the WordPress hosting will be here. Most of them, this is the people will be confused. So what is the shared hosting? What is the reseller hosting? Entire n number of website, one login and one password for security. That is called shared hosting. If is one website will be hacking, remain all will be hacked. One website will be affected in virus, remain all will be affected. Reason all websites, all domain into one login itself. That is a called shared hosting. If you go for shared hosting, if you go for images, see server is one, systems will be five. If is one system will be hacked, where we can hack, total entire system will be hacked. So remain all will be hacked. One system will be affected, remain all will be affected. Affect nothing but some other doing anything will be affected. See this all options. Coming to reseller. In a reseller hosting, see this. System difference, user different. Reseller will be providing for each will be separate login. One login, two login, and three login. But in a shared hosting, all will be into one CPU. So that is the call. Any reseller will be using will be in this particular option. Everything will be separate entity. So that will be here is that. So it will be reseller will be provided to the hosting provider, reseller. Each one separate client. Nothing but separate login and password. That mean by each website will be long secure. Each website will be long secure. So that is the reason when you're purchasing any user, each website we can need separate security, go for reseller hosting. Here, see this WordPress hosting. Any hosting will be purchased, main important will be 1 year, 1 month, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years max. More than 5 years, we can't purchase. Here we can come into scroll down, you will be here. See how many website? 100 website. How much GB? 100 GB. So coming to scroll down, see the future, free CDN, dedicated IP address. Based on the your space, everything will be going on. So I go to the add to cart. What will happen? Always remember, without purchasing domain, we can't purchase hosting. See this: 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, 48 months. Mean that you will be go for monthly, 1 year, 2 years, or 4 years. So this is the condition they will give to the particular customer. So that is the give by here. Here is the particular option. When you're purchasing any kind of WordPress hosting, there is the one of the best option is called. They will providing for free domain also. How many years? Previous lifetime. Now is only for 1 year. There is a condition. Next one, if you go for another option is called here. Website builder. Here is the hosting. Web hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, business email. Web hosting will be always remembered by the particular host. Single, premium, business, cloud startup. See the price. In a single shared hosting, 16 rupees. How many websites? One space 50 GB, 100 GB, 200 GB, 200 GB. If you are looking for multiple features, multiple options, they can go with the option is there. I'm going to another option is called the people using more website will be here. Yeah. What is called? Shade, reseller, cloud. This will be common and Node.js hosting, cPanel hosting. Now it will go for shared hosting. I'll check with one website or I'll go with the 100 website. Okay. First I'll check with the price. Add to cart. Yeah, first of all, I'm already existing domain is there. I will be selected here. Monthly 1062 rupees. 1062 rupees. What is the package will be? 100 website. How much? Monthly will be 1062 rupees. If I go for 3 years, 7646, then everything will be here. Or 1 year. See this how much different. If you go for 1 year, 5097.60 into 3 years. How much cost? 15,000. But if you are purchasing 3 years, what is the cost will be? Minus 7646.40. You almost save by half of the amount when you're purchasing for long years. So that is only applicable only for first time you will be purchased? Yes, first time will be purchased. So if you want to purchase will be 100 website, 200 GB space, everything. The charges will be monthly 1000 rupees. If I go for yearly, how much? 5000. If I go for monthly, total in a year, how many months are there? 12 months. Into, go for cost, 1062. How much is the yearly cost? 12,074. So that is called any hosting you can purchase. The better way go for 1 year or 3 years. Most affected by the 3 years. Sir, but I have to check with the hosting how it is working and how it is happening. Go for 1 year. 1 month, it is not valid. Suppose I am only using for 1 month purpose. This is a temporary. Go for 1 month. So if you go for 100 websites, 200 GB space, how much monthly charges will be? 1000. If I go for reseller hosting, reseller hosting, only for 10 website, 20 website. So if I'm go for 100 website, if I'm go for 100 websites, see the price. Same 100 websites. How much space? 200 GB. See the price. Always remember, without purchase domain, we can purchase your hosting itself monthly. How much? Same. Same 100 website, same will be 200 GB space. What is different? That all will be into the one login itself. This will be, everything will be separate. Sir, how to know, sir? This will be, each will be separate entity. How to know this? That is called, here is that they will mention will be cPanel plus WHM, Web Hosting Manager. If you go for shared hosting, they can only applicable by the cPanel option. Is it clear? In a one control panel, we can host it for a number of website. Sir, I'm a very beginner, sir, but I have to unable to access my website. But I'm only making one simple website, which is a better. Go with the simple package. With the 50 GB space. After your business will be going on, 50 GB will be allocated minimum 3 to 4 years will be take time. If a lengthy mail will be received after getting business, can increase the space also. So that is called any business people first time coming to the market, the best business selection will be here. Per month it will be 50 rupees. Each will be separate login and entity. So this method we can utilize to purchase will be in a particular shared hosting. What is the resale difference? Resale will be, each will be separate login and password each website, and the charge will be very much of high compared to the shared hosting. WordPress. WordPress also same. One website 50 GB, five website 75 GB, 100 website 200 GB. So we can check with the price, how much it is. See, any package you have checked with your hosting packages, compulsory mandatory will be your domain name. Without domain name will be, we don't purchase will be here monthly. The WordPress also will be very flexible about only your 200 GB. But the WordPress supporting will be only one platform, that is the WordPress. There will be option is called plug and play website. Is it clear? So if you go for, I have to add multiple language, multiple coding will be here. The one and only option name is called Linux. Here one more option is there, that is called here cloud hosting, Node.js hosting, and the cPanel hosting. Cloud hosting, RAM, hard disk, and the CPUs. This will be complete for based on the CPU and how much your space is required. That will be charged. See, minimum charge per month will be 596. But which is cloud and dedicated hosting will be purchased monthly and 1 year only. More than 1 year we can't purchase. Reason, after 1 year will be double price or same price. They will be depend on your business. They will decide will be your particular price option. Most of the things same way price will be continued for up to 10 years. How much is the monthly cost? 1758. If you go for annually, 10,547. If you go for yearly, 3 years, 25,318. What is the space will be allocated? This will be 2 CPU, 4 GB RAM, 250 CV, SSD hard disk. This will be continue will be here. User can understand any kind of scenario of hosting. There is a call, shared, reseller, cloud, dedicated, and WordPress hosting. I'm exclusive for design WordPress. There you go for WordPress website. See here, WordPress.com. This will be completely will be free. I'll show you. This will be completely will be free. WordPress.com. Same WordPress, it will be price. This will be paid. This will be how much will be here is a in this. A free, unlimited users, everything will be here. The particular one, how much is the example will be? Storage will be only for 1 GB. Storage 6 GB, 30 GB. Okay. So if you want free WordPress you making will be here. How much space will be? Each website will be 1 GB. Previous it is a 3 GB. Now will be converted into the 1 GB. So suppose I have to making a free website. Go with option name is called WordPress to understanding purpose. So compared to the real time and free WordPress, little bit different. Premium one, WordPress.com. This will be .wordpress.com with your before your name will be mentioned. So that is called if you are exclusive for going to WordPress website, purchase for WordPress hosting option. There's nothing to worry about the or WordPress hosting. You can see this, for example, in my WordPress, here I can create by the how many sites. These all will be my sites. That is a practice purpose or business promotion purpose or offline marketing purpose. The use will be free WordPress website. So this is the way we can purchase. The option name is called WordPress and shade, reseller, cloud hosting, everything will be here. Cloud hosting also will be too much of expensive or a little bit expensive for the users. The charge will be here, 596. So any kind of method, remember always hosting will be supporting platform wise will be Linux, Windows, WordPress. Hosting types will be how many hosting types are there? Shared hosting, resale hosting, WordPress, dedicated server, and cloud and VPS. When you come into shared hosting, limited domain and limited space, everything is unlimited. Use single website or multiple website. Free domain 1 to 3 years. Drawback all domain in one login and password. WHM no. What is WHM theme? But web hosting manager. And click this one. They open for the WHM panel. Who will be purchased resale hosting? They will be given by the WHM panel also. What is the WHM full name? Web hosting manager. That is called. Same like shared hosting, reseller hosting, domain limited one, domain limited, host limited, limited two, and domain underscore hosting limited, space limited, free domain no. So that is the option. Any particular reseller hosting, they're not providing free domain. Only Shade and WordPress hosting, they're providing for free domain. If asking the interview question, which website are providing for free domain? All websites providing for free domain only for 1 year. The hosting name is called Shade and WordPress hosting. The Shade and WordPress hosting. Which is the WordPress hosting? They will be providing for free domain for 1 year only for .com or specialization for the particular domain option. So that is called if anybody purchasing hosting for Shade and WordPress, they will be providing for free domain for specific extension using and they will be purchasing for your particular domain and hosting option. So that is called any purchasing will be here, which is a providing for free domain. That is only for less packages will be here. So this is the way we can purchase your hosting. Everything will be here. One is called limited space, limited domain, unlimited domain, limited space, and limited domain, unlimited space. So these are the condition. Limited space, limited domain, unlimited space, unlimited domain, limited space, and unlimited domain, unlimited space. Very rare. So that is the option will be here. So any domain will be purchasing will be here. This is the one. So dedicated cloud, who will be take? Which website will be e-commerce more than customers are will be into after 5 years, after 3 years. Good customers are there. My website will be stucking. So that time you can purchase will be dedicated and cloud hosting. So that is the complete important information will be domain and hosting. So if any question about hosting, where you can purchase hosting, what is the prices, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.